If you want to know how I achieved this Flatlay, you might want to keep watching. Flatlay is basically where you place your product on a surface in order to advertise and for your product to look cute and aesthetic for Instagram, and for people actually who love cute things to come and purchase your product. Without further ado, I just got a table and I placed an Ankara material on it, and this is me using a pillowcase in order to get my basic surface in order to place my product which I would want to advertise on top of it. So this is me stocking into the table, the pillowcase, in order for it to be straightened up and look so neat, and also try to check if I've achieved what I want. So I'm going to be using a makeup product. As you guys can see, I'm using a brush which resonates with the makeup powder. I'm using it as an aesthetic in order to get what I want. So I'm trying things out. I'm trying to use my sunglasses and taking pictures to know if I like what I have achieved, or if I do not like it, I'll swap it, I'll change again. I'm using makeup brushes right now, as you guys can see it. So I'll keep trying until I get something I want, until I get the perfect picture of my product. So this was the final picture, as you guys can see, of course, after being edited. So you know what, I'm just going to shut my mouth and allow you guys to go through the process alone. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want something new. Please give me a thumbs up, and also I want to give me a cute emoji on the comment section. Yes, I want a cute emoji on the comment section, and also please share with your friends and share with people you love so they can learn how to package their products for Instagram. Instagram is a place where without packaging, if it's not fine, people are not liking. You get that kind of thing. So I'll see you guys in my next time. Enjoy.
Tell me that you're sorry, I'm not sorry. What you're sorry for? I need a little love, I just need a little love. You tell me that you're sorry, I'm not sorry. What you're sorry for? Need a little love, I just need a little love. Cause all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. All I do is work hard, no sleep. I'm a sucker for your swagger, only Tuesday nights available. We party till mañana, and then I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me.
How I edit my pictures for Flatlay, also suggest it in the comment section. I would love to teach you guys. Right, bye for real.
Get famous. Stay ahead or stay behind. Why don't we just roll? I'm a sucker for your swagger, only Tuesday nights available. We party till mañana, and then I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me. I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me. Cause all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Give a little love to a hit song machine.